We got the Mossberg 500 Thunder Ranch Edition. It's a 12 gauge shotgun. Originally I had transferred this Mossberg Speed Feed stock from my 598-1 onto this guy, but then decided to switch to the Magpul SGA stock. It's outstanding. And now I just received some more parts that I'm going to throw on this guy. The single point connector. Also new is the Condor card, shell card. It's a Velcro attached. It's good to go. 6 rounds as opposed to 4, so we get 2 more in the capacity portion. So now let's take this guy off and install the single point. Alright, so we have the SGA receiver sling mount, Magpul. We're going to be installing that right now. That's good to go. You got the cover. Let's just pop this off. There we go. I gotta say, this Magpul stock is a lot easier to fuck around with due to that access point right there. That's the right tool. Alright, so we're gonna use the tool that came originally with the stock. So let's take this guy off. Johnny post-production can probably put this on fast forward. It kind of sucks because you can only turn it cutting hair at a time. There we go. Alright, so we got it out. And so originally there we go. Got my single point sling bungee, but originally I had the GG&G single point adapter, and I tried installing this with the existing screw, and it seemed to kind of fuck up a bit. So I don't know if you guys have the same issue, but I'm kind of pissed I have to get rid of this. So if anybody has a Mossberg and is interested in this outstanding rear sling point, just write in the comments below, and if there's a lot of you, then we can do a drawing just to be fair. But that's outstanding. So let's continue on. You got your spacer. If that's not there, you'll have that area on the stock showing. So we got our brand new rear sling point. Alright, so we have our Magpul single sling point, and we're gonna put it on like so, facing up, just to complete this male end that's gonna insert into the female end on the shotty. Just drop it in. Find the screw. Stand there. So we're coming up. You don't want to do it too tight. You don't want to strip the receiver. So we're good to go. We're in business. We got our single sling point in the rear. Now let's put the cap on. Outstanding. All right. That is good to go. Let's throw this guy out here. Well, no. This guy. And we are in business. Alright, so we got the ass end good to go. Alright, so we got the completed shot. Outstanding. Love this stock. It is good to go. And with this extra card, along with the side saddle, and that is more than sufficient to run bedside. Next thing I'm gonna do is probably change out this tack star for a GG&G. That's a little further down the road. Outstanding. Thanks for watching.